Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, Jessica here. Welcome to my walking tour of Praia do Amor in Brazil. First of all, I would like to ask you to please like this video so that I can get a better idea of the sort of content you enjoy and continue to provide more exciting tours for you in the future. Also, if you could comment below whether you found this video helpful, it would be much appreciated. Praia do Amor is located on the northern coast of Brazil just south of Natal. The beach area is surrounded by a tall, rocky seawall divided into two areas. One is overshadowed by forest-bearing trees and the other a wide sandy beach, offering picturesque views of ocean and sky. The beach itself is quite expansive and you can walk along the water's edge, or you can get a good view of the ocean from any of the vantage points in the park. There are plenty of palm trees and other lush vegetation, making it one of the best places for a photo op. The warm, steady waters close to the beach are perfect for swimming, but it does get very deep relatively quickly and can be dangerous if you're not familiar with the area. Still, the scenery is breathtaking, and if you come to Praia do Amor for your beach day, you won't be disappointed. The fridges lapping the shoreline make for an idyllic experience, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can explore the waters up close by renting a kayak or going on a boat tour. There's also a small island that's visible from the beach, reachable by taking a short boat ride. The nightlife here is also very vibrant, with a lively bar now and then, so there's plenty of options if you'd like to stay and hang out well into the night. To wrap up this lovely walking tour of Praia do Amor in Brazil, I'd like to thank you for joining me and ask that you please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed what you saw. Like this video and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching and happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!